Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from my look today, my today's tutorial is all about a makeup that you could do if you are a guest at a wedding. So if you are invited to a wedding, so this kind of look is really good and you can create it for yourself, and I am sure you'll look very pretty in it. So I have done this blue smoky eyes today because my outfit is blue, so I have coordinated it with my outfit, and I have also accompanied it with these brownish kind of lips because I thought they go really well with my look. So if you want to know what products I have used to achieve this look and how I have created this look, then you have to watch my video till the end. If you like my video and it was helpful for you, then please do not forget to press that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And guys, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed it, because every time I upload a new video you will get a notification and then you can watch them. So keep on watching. The first product that I'm using is PAC Spotlight Liquid Concealer in the shade 02 Skin. I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid with the help of its wand and use it as my eye base. You can use a brush as well as your fingers to mix it. Today I am using only my fingers to mix it all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna top it up with my all-time favorite Maybelline New York Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 150 Neutralizer. This will give me a full coverage eye base. Now I am setting my eye base with my Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. Now my eye base is complete, but before applying my eyeshadow, I always like to do my eyebrows because then I get a well-defined area to apply my eyeshadow. Moving forward to my brows, for brows I am using Nykaa Brow Chicka Wow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Coban Cocoa. I'm gonna first brush my eyebrows with the spoolie brush, and then I'm gonna line them and fill in all the empty spaces to make them look natural. First I am taking my K Beauty Metallic Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Navigator, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. This will give me a nice blue eye base to work on. Now I'm taking my flat eye brush and I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus to make it a little wet, and then I'm gonna smudge this blue eyeshadow all over my lid. I will try to keep it within my lid and beyond my crease, and I will not go further. So this is my Swiss Beauty HD Professional Eyeshadow Palette. It consists of 40 colors. You can see it has a variety of different colors, shimmer colors, matte colors. So it's a really nice eyeshadow palette. So the first color that I'm picking up is from this eyeshadow palette, and this is the color. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush, and for my transition shade today I am using the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette. This is a very beautiful palette. It consists of mixture of colors that are brown, nudes, shimmer, and I really love this palette, so I am using this color
from this eyeshadow palette from my transition shade. As you can see that I am taking a lot of time in blending. Guys, blending is a very important step. If you do not blend in all the colors properly, the eyeshadow look will not come together properly. So that is why I am gonna take all the time in blending the transition shade until I am satisfied with the look. Now I'm going back to my Swiss Beauty palette again, and I am taking this color to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And to highlight my brow bone, I am using this color. For eyeliner, I am going to use Lakme Absolute Shine Liquid Eyeliner in shade Black. Now I'm going to use my eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes so that they are well prepared for the mascara. Guys, this brings a huge difference because once your eyelashes are curled, then your mascara applies very beautifully. For mascara, I am using Maybelline New York Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Now I'm gonna repeat all the steps on my other eye off camera and then come back and continue the rest of my makeup. My eye makeup is done. I am using my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Rose to set my eye makeup as well as prime my whole face. Guys, this is a very hydrating mist and I use it on daily basis also to hydrate my face before using makeup. For foundation, I am using MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC20. Guys, this is a really good foundation if you are doing a wedding makeup, that is you are a wedding guest and you have to stay there for a longer period, then this foundation will work wonders for you because it is a full coverage and long lasting foundation. It is very durable for conditions where you are exposed to heat, or if you go to weddings and you have to attend the wedding in open, then this foundation will keep your makeup intact for a longer time. Now I am taking my Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I am applying it my under eye area, on the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead to brighten up these areas. Now I am taking my damp mini beauty blender and I am going to use it to blend all the concealer that I have applied. Now I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to set my concealer. Now I'm gonna take my PAC Take Cover Concealer Crayon in the shade D31 Dark and use it for contouring. I'm applying it close to my ears and I'm gonna concentrate it in this area only. To set my contour, I'm using Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded in the shade Long Weekend. I'm gonna take it on my contouring brush and I'm gonna set all the areas that I have contoured. For blusher, I'm using Lakme Absolute Face Stylish Blush Duo in the shade Rose Blush. Moving forward to lips, first I'm gonna line my lips with Miss Claire Lip Pencil in the shade Flare Pink. For lipstick, I am using Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Jane. Guys, these lipsticks are really good because they are matte and very comfortable to wear. And along with that, they do not smudge easily. So while attending the wedding, you can enjoy all that delicious food and you don't have to care about the lipstick smudging off. After applying my Nykaa lipstick, I found that the shade was not complementing my makeup. Although the Nykaa lipsticks are really good, but now I am coating it up with my Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade 75 Fighter. This shade will really accompany my eye look and the whole makeup. For highlighter today, I am using Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighting and Illuminating Duo Palette in the shade 24K Glam 01. Highlighting is a very important step, guys, because this does the whole magic. When you are attending an event or any wedding, so this highlighting step is very important because while your pictures are being clicked and when you are under that sort of lighting, this highlighter does the whole magic. It gives the glow and the dewy finish to your makeup. I'm gonna apply the highlighter on all the high points of my face, that is on my cheekbone, on the center of my forehead and on the bridge of my nose. Now my makeup is done. I'm gonna set my makeup with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Shimmer in Gold Light. This is a really nice shimmer mist because it sets your makeup in place, it locks it up and also gives you that illuminating effect because it consists of small gold particles in it. Since I cannot find anything to fan my face, so I'm using this package to fan my face so that my mist sets in place properly. Since it is an Indian wedding guest look, so adding a bindi to it will just enhance my look. So I am taking a matching bindi that is blue in color and applying on the center of my forehead. Now I'm gonna wear my jhumkas and my Mang Tika to complete this look, and then I am all ready to go and attend the wedding. So this is the complete look that I have achieved today. It is a perfect look to attend a wedding or any Indian event. Guys, if this video was helpful for you all, then do not forget to press that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel to watch my upcoming videos. And please share it with your friends. Bye bye till we meet the next time.